crash course on Poland, local customs, city guides, hidden gem, and travel itineraries. Welcome to Poland, a country steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty. Let's dive into the local customs, city guides, hidden gems, and travel itineraries that make Poland a fascinating destination. Cultural norms, customs, and etiquette. 1. Greetings. In Poland, a firm handshake is the common form of greeting, accompanied by a polite nod. Use titles and surnames when addressing people until invited to use first names. 2. Punctuality. Poles value punctuality, so it's essential to arrive on time for appointments and social gatherings. 3. Hospitality. Polish hospitality is legendary. When invited to someone's home, bring a gift, such as flowers or chocolates, and be prepared for a generous feast. 4. Table manners. When dining, wait for the host to begin before starting your meal. It is customary to try a little bit of everything on the table. 5. Religious respect. Poland is predominantly Catholic, so dress modestly when visiting churches and religious sites. 6. Gift giving. Gifts are appreciated, especially for special occasions like name days or birthdays. Avoid giving an even number of flowers, as they are reserved for funerals. Must-visit cities and hidden gems. 1. Warsaw. The capital city boasts a mix of history, modernity, and vibrant nightlife. 2. Kraków. A cultural treasure trove with a well-preserved medieval old town and Wawel castle. 3. Gdansk. Discover the beauty of this port city with its charming architecture and maritime history. 4. Wrocław. Explore the Venice of Poland, with its picturesque canals and vibrant market square. 5. Zakopane, a hidden gem in the Tatra Mountains, offering stunning landscapes and outdoor adventures. 6. Torun. Step back in time in this UNESCO-listed city known for its gingerbread and medieval charm. Travel itineraries and day trips. 1. Warsaw to Łódź. Explore the industrial history of Łódź, with its revitalized factories and impressive museums. 2. Kraków to Auschwitz-Birkenau. Take a somber yet essential day trip to the former concentration camp to pay homage to the victims of the Holocaust. 3. Wrocław to Silesian wine region. Discover Poland's emerging wine culture with vineyard tours and tastings. 4. Gdansk to Malbork. Visit the imposing Malbork Castle, the largest castle in the world by land area. 5. Zakopane to Morskie Oko. Hike to the stunning Morskie Oko Lake nestled in the Tatra Mountains. Practical tips for traveling in Poland. 1. Language. While Polish is the official language, many Poles speak English, especially in tourist areas. 2. Currency. The official currency is the Polish zloty, PLN. Credit cards are widely accepted, but it's good to carry some cash for smaller establishments. 3. Transportation. Poland has an extensive train and bus network, making it easy to travel between cities. Consider purchasing a Poland Rail Pass for flexibility. 4. Accommodation. Poland offers a range of accommodation options, from budget hostels to luxury hotels. Consider staying in charming guest houses for a more authentic experience. 5. Cuisine. Don't miss trying traditional Polish dishes like pierogi, dumplings, bigos, hunter's stew, and oskopek, smoked cheese. Interesting story. The legend of the Wawel dragon. In Kraków, the Wawel dragon is a beloved figure in local folklore. According to the legend, the dragon lived in a cave beneath Wawel Hill, terrorizing the city until a clever shoemaker fed it a sheepskin filled with sulfur. The dragon became so thirsty that it drank from the Vistula River until it exploded. Today, a metal sculpture of the dragon breathes fire every few minutes, delighting visitors. Top 12 attractions, local customs, city guides, hidden gem, and travel itineraries. 1. Warsaw Old Town. Stroll through the reconstructed historic district, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 2. Wieliczka Salt Mine. Explore the stunning underground chambers and sculptures carved from salt. 3. Białowieża Forest. Discover the last remaining primeval forest in Europe, a UNESCO-listed gem. 4. The Baltic Coast. Relax on sandy beaches and visit charming seaside towns like Sopot. 5. Jasna Góra Monastery. Pay a visit to the famous Black Madonna in Częstochowa. 6. Tatra National Park. Hike the scenic trails and enjoy the stunning vistas in the High Tatras. 7. Masurian Lakes. Cruise the picturesque lakes, a paradise for water sports enthusiasts. 8. Bieszczady Mountains. Experience Poland's wildest and most remote mountain range. 9. Gniezno, the first capital of Poland, featuring historic cathedrals and a picturesque lake. 10. Słowiński National Park. Witness the shifting sand dunes and unique landscape. 11. Zakopane, a popular winter sports destination and a gateway to the Tatra Mountains. 12. Bledo Desert. Visit the surprising desert landscape hidden in Poland's heartland. Summarizing this crash course on Poland. A land of history, art, and natural grandeur. Poland welcomes travelers with warmth and splendor. From Warsaw's vibrant streets to Krakow's medieval grace. Hidden gems and customs, every corner to embrace. Explore the Wieliczka salt mines' underground halls. Or wander through Białowieża forest's ancient walls. The Baltic coast's sandy shores invite you to stay, as the Tatra Mountains' beauty takes your breath away. Discover Jasna Gora's revered monastery in grace, and the serenity of Masurian Lake's embrace. From Gniezno's cathedrals to Słowiński's dunes, each destination unveils its unique tunes. So venture forth with wonder and glee. Poland's treasures await you, come and see. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.